Hello, good morning. I am Neha. I just attended a seminar, webinar on social and emotional learning for young learners conducted by Mrs. Chumur Chattopadhyay. And this was highly informative. And I'm a novice at this, but still, it didn't feel like that I'm doing this for the first time. It was so helpful, and I got to know so many new ideas. It was conducted in such an interactive, informative way that we didn't know where the 3 hours flew by, and I'm sure it's going to be very helpful in future in my course that I'm pursuing. And thank you so much for your time and the input that you gave.